So I'm Chris Paterson from Bamboo Projects, and we have back to work programs where we engage with people that may not fit into the mainstream workforce, and we get them doing all sorts of things from collecting the 10-cent cans and bottles, and we also clean the waterways up, and we also have a wheelchair access boat that offers free trips for the community once a month. When I worked in construction, I struggled with my own mental health, and getting out on the water really helped me, and found so much benefit I started taking other guys out and would have a bit of a mateship and a chat. And when we're out there, we're just seeing how much rubbish was in the waterways, so we decided just to start grabbing a few pieces here and there, do our little bit, and then it just sort of took off from there, and I just seen, you know, how important that mateship was. It's just a surreal feeling winning the 2026 I was glad it wasn't the senior citizen, because when I found out, I was like, is that the old person one? Because I'm like, am I at that age now? You know, we couldn't do it alone. We've got so many people that do donate, sponsor us. Moreton Bay Council has been a great help for us, supporting us and you know, being the first ones to jump on board with that pilot program to do the waterway cleanups. So yeah, we're definitely grateful to receive this award, and you know, we don't do it for the awards, but it is good to sort of have that acknowledgement, to know that you're on the right track and people do appreciate the hard work and, you know, all the volunteer hours that go into it as well.